Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, as you can see, we're talking about my Vanguard portfolio today, and basically it's my Roth IRA, but I just wanted to go over a couple of numbers with you and show you the progress over the last couple of months that's going on. Um, I also wanted to go ahead and state that this is the only part I'll be showing because I do have personal information on Vanguard that I don't want leaked, unfortunately. So I'm sorry that I can't move it around too much, but we will talk about everything. As you can see, we have an available balance of $2.72 right now. And that's just from the money that we deposited way back when we deposited $3,000 for to meet last year's Roth IRA limit. And so that's just the money that's left over from the investments. With that money, we did go ahead and buy AbbVie. We went ahead and bought 27 shares of AbbVie. So I was really happy to go ahead and get in a nice position on AbbVie. And its price as of the last Friday, or this last Friday, was $118.19. So just a little bit of progress, which is actually beneficial for us because we do have another $3,000 that we do need to invest in this account. And so if AbbVie is at a really attractive price, we might go ahead and consider doubling up on that. So that would bring us to about 54 shares, which would be absolutely awesome to go ahead and really emphasize that healthcare sector, because AbbVie is one of those healthcare sector stocks that we really believe in. We also have AT&T, as you know. Unlike most investors that also do YouTube, I decided that I would defer on selling my position. I was really close to thinking about it because at the time I had made a ton of profit. It was at I believe 32.50 when the news broke that AT&T would be cutting its dividend, and that scared a lot of people. And so I believe I could have made like $700, $800 off of AT&T. Maybe I'm doing my math a little wrong, but I decided to go ahead and hold the position. And so now it's down to basically where I bought it at. It actually might be a little bit lower from where I bought my position. And at the time it was a steal because AT&T had regularly been at around $30 a share. So me getting in at like $28.50, I thought was a pretty good deal. But we still do have 161 shares, 161.4, and that's due to all of the dividends that we have being reinvested into AT&T. And so I believe outright we bought 150, like 2 or 3 shares. And because of the dividend reinvestment, we've gained 8 shares during the time that we've had it. So that's awesome to see. We have a value of about $4,543.47 on that. We have $3,191.13 for AbbVie. We do have $44.53 invested in our TELUS Corporation, which is a communications company located in Canada. We really believe in that company as well. And they're still at a nice little price. Originally, they're hovering around $19 to $20, but as you can see, they've had a little bit of growth. So with the dividend reinvestment, we've actually got some fractional shares there. And then VT Sachs is our original position in this Roth IRA. And so that's Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. And it's a really awesome fund. Very similar to what you can find in VTI or VOO. I always get the two mixed up. But one of those funds it's very similar to, or one of those ETFs is very similar to. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, if you're looking to invest in an index fund instead of an ETF, this is a great option for that. As you can see, it's up to $110.69, and this is where most of our growth comes from. In the last change that we had, we made $1.11 per share on Friday, and so with the dividend reinvestment and everything, we're up to 41 shares, 41.61 shares, which brings our value to $4,606.25, totaling in $12,388.10. So that is our total as of Friday. We did take a massive dip, just like with our M1 Finance account. We did take a massive dip to almost 12,000 flat due to whatever was going on with the market this last week. I think a lot of people are speculating that there's going to be some kind of downturn or some kind of loss due to everything that's going on in our world these days. But as you know, I hold steady. I don't worry about that kind of stuff because in the long term, I know that the profit will be there. And so that's pretty much the message that I wanted to relate to you guys. I hope you're having a blessed Sunday, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. God bless.